Hi everyone, welcome back again. We came to this open farm community at Dempsey Road one Saturday in December 2025 last year. So I took some time to complete these drawings and actually posted another video first before I have some time to settle this cafe video. So it's quite nice to find such a place in Singapore since land is so limited here. We just went in, stepped in, and I found a place to sit down to feel the place before I start to do any sketching. The sky looks quite cloudy when I sat down. So anyway, we ordered some simple food and tea, and I took some videos of the surrounding of this beautiful cafe. So recently there is this announcement from CNA that this bakery here will be shutting their doors on January 11, which is tomorrow. Today I'm recording this voiceover, which is January 10. So I find myself very lucky to be able to visit this cafe last month before it shut its doors tomorrow. How I like this rustic look, the grounded feeling, how near it is to the nature, the gardens, the playground. I feel like it is very down to earth and especially good for children to come here to feel the nature. Anyway, it is what it is, so yeah. The rain is coming very soon, and before that is always the wind that comes first, like a pre-warning. And for today's sketch in the sketchbook, I draw out elements that interest me, curious me, or rustic enough that I will want to record it. Anyway, I really feel so good to be able to record them before knowing that the cafe will be shut down in January. So I think it is really lucky for me to sketch some of those elements that I see. I started by drawing this what seems like a kerosene lamp that is being hung on one of the wooden beams, and with wooden beams as its background, and other elements that interest me will be somewhere around it. So for example, like the rooster, it is just beside because I will need more space to draw out the rooster with many details that I will be putting inside it. So this rooster will have more space. Like the leaf will be at the corner because I do not need to draw too many leaves. Just a few pieces will do to represent what interests me in this cafe. So it's really like a simple journal record of my observation in this cafe today. Some of the customers who actually prepared to leave the cafe came back to take shelter from the rain. So after they leave, the animals and the rain stopped, the animals came back outside or inside the cafe. So just a simple video record of them walking around. I like this way that is so natural, is so free, like they are not being leashed on, like a dog and a cat needs to be leashed on. Oh, if you notice, I brought my sketchbook home to finish up the detailing work for this sketch like 5 or 6 days later. So it's a very peaceful sketch. I like drawing this kind of texture background. Thank you for staying around until here. This journal is ending soon, so I'll be taking more journals like this, video vlog and drawing in this kind of format. I hope you like it because I find it quite effective in showing you something. Alright, thanks. I will see you in the next video. Bye.